and I'm studying at Leith College, and I'm currently studying International Tourism and Events Management, and I've just completed my first year.
Hi, my name's David Humphreys and I'm studying HND Music at MPTC Group of Colleges.
I originally came to the open day with an idea of doing tourism or hospitality, but once I met the lecturers of the tourism department, I decided that was definitely the course I'd be taking.
Initially I was going to join on the BTEC for music, but due to my age and previous experiences outside of academics, I joined the HND course, and here I am today.
There's a lot more variety in the course than I thought there would be. We've been doing marketing, events and tourism with plenty of other learning stuff as well.
I had the opportunity to learn saxophone, I've learned piano, I'm currently learning clarinet as well. And my sight reading, I'd never read music properly before starting the course. Now I can play instruments that are new to me and read from sheet music as I'm going, which is fantastic. It's something I never thought I'd be able to do.
The teachers have been absolutely brilliant. They've always been at the end of a message or the phone.
It's like a family more than a teacher-student. Whenever you need anything, there's always somebody there, and they will sit and they will explain every last thing several times over if need be. They truly are fantastic.
I had been home a long time with my children, and I wanted to progress into a career, do something for me really.
The next steps would be to a university of my choice for the top-up year, and then I'm contemplating doing a master's or a PGC where I can teach.
I'm hoping to work in a hotel, working with events, or even as a wedding planner. If you love working as part of a team and you're looking to do anything between tourism, events, even marketing, then I would definitely join.
If you're still on the fence and thinking about joining the course, stop thinking, get it done. Sign up, it'll be the best thing you'll do.